Good morning everyone, I am Erica Nina Dibangwa and I'm currently studying at CBSUA Pasakaw Campus. In one of our subject, Doc 3, we were required to discuss our learning style. Our teacher sent us a learning style quiz, and in part 1, the choices were labeled A, B, and C. If the majority of our answer were A, it means we have a visual learning style. If we score more on B, it indicated an auditory learning style. If we score more on C, it represented as kinesthetic or tactile learning style. Based on my quiz results in part 1, most of my answer were B, which means I am an auditory learner. The second quiz was about the multiple intelligence or MII, which helped me identify my multiple intelligence. The MI quiz that was given to us had 3 parts. Part 1 will have 9 sections, and each sections have 9 statements. In section 1, I gave 1 to 4 statement. In section 2, I gave 1 to 3 statements. In section 3, I gave a score of 1 to 5 statements. In section 4, I gave a score of 1 to 6 statements. In section 5, I gave a score of 1 to 7 statements. In section 6, I gave a score of 1 to 9 statements. In section 7, I gave a score of 1 to 1 statements. In section 8, I gave a score of 1 to 10 statements. In section 9, I gave a score of 1 to 1 statements. After obtaining the total score for each section, we move on to part 2, where we multiplied each section total by 10. The score will follow as 40, 30, 50, 60, 70, 90, 10, 100, and 10. In part 3, we created a bar graph based on our result, and my highest score was in section 8, which indicate that my dominant intelligence is intrapersonal intelligence. And this is the result of my learning style, while this one is the result of my multiple intelligence. And that's all. Thank you.